Struggling to defend your base in Last War? You're probably not using protectors the right way. Here's how to fix that fast. Protectors are your frontline defense units. If used correctly, they can save your base, your troops, and your resources. First, always assign protectors to your most vulnerable buildings, especially resource storages and command centers. These are prime targets during attacks. Second, upgrade your protectors regularly. High level protectors have better durability and deal more damage, making them much harder to break through. Third, don't stack all protectors in one place. Spread them strategically across your base to create multiple defensive layers. This slows down enemies and buys you time. Also, pair protectors with defensive buffs or heroes if available. This combo massively increases your defense efficiency. A pro tip is to check attack logs. If enemies keep breaking through one area, reposition your protectors there to counter future raids. Master your protectors and your base becomes nearly impossible to crack. Follow for more Last War tips.